All right, y'all. I'm back with another video. It's your girl, Inspired by Z. How y'all doing today? I hope everybody had a great week. It's Friday, y'all. It's Friday. Hey, it's Friday. We finally made it, y'all. We here. We are here. And I'm still busy. I said, while I got time, let me go on and hop on here real quick. I'm on lunch, basically. And I said, let me talk about this real quick. And I have a Philly cheesesteak sandwich and fries. And like I said, that light is terrible, y'all. I'm sorry. But I said, let me hop on here. And they gave me a pickle. Let's put this aside. But I said, let me hop on here real quick and see, can I inspire somebody today or motivate somebody or just push you on through your day with a smile. That's all. That's all I want to do today. But I'm gonna talk what I'm gonna eat, then we're gonna talk about, then we're gonna eat a little bit, then we're gonna talk about a little bit more. You know how we do. And I'm not gonna keep y'all long, because you know what? We got stuff to do. My day is still busy. But we're gonna pray, then we're gonna get it in. Thank you, Lord, for this food I'm about to receive and nourish my body in Jesus' name. Amen. First meal of the day, y'all. And I got a Philly cheesesteak. Whoa. And it got lettuce on it. Whoa. Tomatoes. See stuff just coming out of it. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? Let it focus a little bit. But let's see how it tastes. It's good. I'm shocked that it's still hot. I had to go all the way up the road and get it. But it's good. Let's get into this topic, y'all. That's why we're here. And I've been doing a lot of shorts too. So go look at some of my shorts if you haven't seen them out there. They out there, got shorts out there. I probably got more shorts out there than videos now. I've been doing more shorts lately. Giving out tips on that end. So check my shorts out, y'all. Let me pull this up some. And just a lot of light. But let's talk about grudges, y'all. Y'all see the topic. They say, is it a grudge? Is it really a grudge? Because I know some people, you know, if you've been through so much with people, you just tired of dealing with the same old, and you just get away from them. You don't want to tolerate them more. You unfriend them or whatever you want to do. You block them out your life, basically. But some people think you may be holding a grudge. So that's why I'm like, is it really a grudge? We need to think about it. Now, some people will take you down through there, if you know what I mean. And you just don't want to go down that road no more. And some people handle things different. So each its own. However you want to handle your situation, that's on you. But I'm the type of person. You're not just going to keep doing stuff to me over and over and over again and expect me to still be in your life. And then you treat me like crap. I don't care who it is. Friends, family, associates, whoever. Co-workers, whoever. Because I love me too much to accept nonsense in my life. And that's why I say, is it really a grudge when some people can be really toxic, y'all? And they don't even know they're toxic. Because a lot of people accept their mess. A lot of people accept their behavior is acceptable. And my thing is, you can forgive people. Forgive them. Talk to them, let them know how you feel, and keep it pushing. Keep it pushing. My son made some lemonade, y'all. And that's what's in my cup. But like I was saying, you can forgive them. Let them know, especially if you done let them know 50 million times how you felt about the way they was treating you. And it's saying like what you were saying, they just like, okay, what they totally ignored your feelings. At that point, say I forgive you for whatever you done to me, for all the times you did X, Y, and Z. But I can't take no more of this. I'm done. No hard feelings. That's why I'm coming to you. It's a wrap. And you know how some of them people gonna feel? Oh, she holding a grudge against me, or he holding a grudge against me. But you came to them. That's not holding a grudge. That's you releasing yourself from that person. You can't keep getting hurt by somebody, or somebody doing something to you over and over. Like, for instance, say somebody come to your house and they always stealing. And you know it's them because they the only one that been to your house. And then you stop them from coming to your house for a little bit to see. Ain't nothing else stolen. Then you bring them back. Something gets missing. So that right there proves to you, okay, so that's what I'm saying. Would you keep bringing somebody back that keep stealing from you? And you know it's them doing it? That's what I'm saying. Sometimes you have to let people go. Because of the things that they bring to you, the negative energy. Like I said, talk to them. Let them know. Ain't no grudge. We good. We good. Like these fries good, y'all. And that sandwich. Just let them know we good. I just can't keep doing this. Like I said, I don't care who it is. I just can't keep going through this. If you have to love folks from a distance, do that. Oh. I don't know what there was. Something they wrote no mail on my lid. I'm like, what is that? But do what you have to do. And like I said, you can't keep dealing with the same thing over and over and over again. Even though some people do, I can't tolerate stuff like that. I have a low tolerance for mess. The older I got, I became like this. Because now I'm like, Now, when I was younger, I could tolerate a little bit more than I do now. But now I'm like, my peace is so important to me these days. I mean, really, y'all. My peace is more important than anything. I don't care who it is. And that's the attitude you have to have sometimes. Because guess what? I like going to bed, laying in my bed, and resting peacefully. Not bothered or triggered by anybody. Don't have to worry about, oh my goodness, why this person did this and why this person doing that to me. I'm going to bed, resting good at night. Sleeping good. I said, it's the older I got I had to realize that my peace was more important than keeping friends, keeping family, keeping these people around me, co-workers and social stuff at work. It was more important, my peace. Because not having peace causes headaches, stress on you, stress on your body. That can cause health issues. And people don't understand that. If somebody putting you under a lot of stress. Having you deal with the same things over and 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 over again. But I'm telling y'all, I don't know what failed. We're going to keep it moving. But this sandwich is good. If I do eat carbs, it's going to be in the afternoon. It's going to be like right now. Or later on, I won't have a carb. I have a salad or something. Yeah, if I eat again. I got protein. But think about that the next time somebody come into your life and stressing you out. Is it worth it? Is that friendship worth it? Is that relationship worth it? Is that job worth it? You stressing like that. The people at work, basically. And then I mix my sun lemonade with a little slush. Then I got, and it's thick now. But my sun lemonade seemed like it was on top for a minute. I guess I can move this over here. But a lot of people will think that you're holding a grudge against them. Because you want peace in your life. And that's why I said I don't want nobody stealing my joy from me, my peace from me, none of that. I don't care who you are. And I know a lot of people say, well, that's my family. I can't just leave them alone. But you're stressing. Every day is something. And then when the shoe on the other foot and you need something, ain't nobody there and they family. Or your so-called friend, let something happen. You'll see the so-called friends. You always there for them. Like I said, once they abuse you and keep using you and bringing you around a toxic environment or making your environment toxic. And then when you stop being around them, and then you notice that the energy is different, since you done cut them off and it's peaceful, you're going to think about it. You're like, wait a minute. This whole environment different. And I said, I love my peace. I love how I am right now. I said, I feel like I don't have to deal with some of the things I dealt with. Don't bring me none of that. I don't want to hear it. If it ain't nothing positive, I don't want to hear it. If you're going to come over here and down me and talk down on me or whatever, you got to go. You got to leave. This environment right here is peaceful. And that's what you have to do sometimes. Especially if it's family, say, I love you, but I can't take all of this mess that you bringing over here in my house. It ain't no grudge. You just love peace more. That's how I look at it. I know this is really not the topic of talking about grudges, but don't let nobody steal your peace, and especially in your own home. If there's no peace in your house, something wrong. Your house should be a place of serenity. Your home. Especially if you already at work stressed out, you should come home and at peace. You shouldn't have to come home to somebody that bring you negative energy, toxic energy, all that. Every single day is a cycle. Every single day. You should have peace. You know, I said a lot of people I didn't cut out. It's a few that few people, my circle is small. That circle I have is more valuable. I'm telling you. I probably count on one hand how many friends I have versus how it used to be. I wanted to be friendly with everybody, have more friends and do this. Oh, I can. Now my attitude is, if I got friends, I got friends. If I don't, I don't. Oh, well. If they cut me off, oh, well. Hey. And a lot of time when people cut you off, it ain't you. It's them. So I don't think it's you all the time. Because I done changed a lot. From when I was younger. Say 15, 20 years ago. And the same people I used to hang with, I said, I don't do this stuff no more, do that. They left. So that's why I said, it's not you all the time. But the stuff I was doing was toxic. I right there with them. And I'm like, I don't do stuff like that no more. I don't do this. I don't do that. I said something. I'm not perfect. I'm trying to get right with God. Some of the stuff I used to do, I don't do anymore. And I had to reevaluate myself 25 years ago. Like, what's really going on? I had to look in the mirror with some of the stuff I was doing too. So I'm like, no wonder. It's like you attract the same things that, how can I put it? It's like what you do, you attract. They were like, I'm like, I can't do it. I'm like, I can't act like this towards people. I had to change myself. And a lot of people don't do that. A lot of people don't look in the mirror. That's what's wrong. A lot of people do not look in the mirror, see themselves like, this is not right. I shouldn't be talking to people like this. I shouldn't be doing this to people. I said, once I changed a lot of my ways, things got better. And I started attracting better people into my life. But the ones that were still around trying to do this and that I found toxic, I just had to tell them, I can't do this no more. You know, it's for me. It's better for me for us to not associate with each other anymore. I'm not holding no grudge. It's just you keep doing the same things over and over and over again, and I'm right there allowing you, basically. I can't do it. And when I said it's not really a grudge, sometimes it's not. Just depending on the person. But some people do hold grudges. And those, sometimes they want to be the ones that, you know, I got to get back at this person. I got to do this because they did this to me. I don't even look at stuff like that no more, like that. They did something to me. Deuces. And then what's so funny, I'm like, I had to forgive myself for allowing stuff to go so long. Because I'm like, I knew better. But I kept letting that type of energy into my space. And I'm like, it's no grudge, boo. I'm good. I'm not holding a grudge. You can be cordial and keep it moving. We ain't ever got to talk again. I'm good. I said that peace I have is better than anything. And I'm not going to let nobody disrupt it. Nobody. Like I said, I don't care who you are. You cannot disrupt my peace. Y'all, this is it. The rest of these fries hard. And that's making so sagging. I'm not finna eat that pickle. But this is the video, y'all. Like I said, it's not a grudge all the time, because sometimes people get sick of your mess and they just tired. Like I said, tell them that you're tired of going through this mess that you're going through. It's been real. It's been nice, but I got to keep it going. I got to keep it moving. See ya. That's the attitude you have to have with some people. But like I said, let your peace be your first priority, y'all. And don't hold grudges against anyone. Nobody. If you see them on the street 10 years later, like I said, be cordial. Hey, how you doing? Keep it moving. Keep walking so fast that they're like, oh, she ain't want to talk. Nope. I can speak and keep it moving. And that's how it should be. You don't have to say a whole sentence to them. Hello. Keep it moving. Or they leaving. Goodbye. Keep it moving. But anyway, y'all, this it. This the video. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.